Hello friends and welcome to today headlines. Friends, my accent may be a bit bad, but I sincerely promise you that I will always tell you the truth. US election 2020, Trump says opponent Biden will hurt God. US President Donald Trump has said Joe Biden is against God, ramping up attacks on his Democratic rival and foreshadowing an ugly election battle. The remark during a trip to Ohio came as Mr. Trump tries to make up ground in the crucial Midwestern state that were his path to victory in 2016. He's against God, he's against guns, said the president, a Republican. Mr. Biden, an avowed Catholic, will take on Mr. Trump in November. Opinion polls suggested the Democrat currently leads. The former US Vice President has spoken frequently about how his faith helped him cope with the death of his first wife and daughter in 1972 car accident. His campaign spokesman Andrew Bates said in a statement on Thursday, Joe Biden's faith is at the core of who he is. He is lived it with dignity his entire life and it has been a source of strength and comfort in times of extreme hardship. Mr. Trump, who identifies himself as Presbyterian, said of Mr. Biden earlier in the day in Cleveland, Ohio, he is following the radical left agenda. Take away your guns, destroy your Second Amendments, no religion, no anything. Hurt the Bible, hurt God. He's against God, he's against guns, he's against energy, our kind of energy. Mr. Trump has been accused of using the platform of the presidency for politically gain by injecting campaign style rhetoric into taxpayer-funded official engagements intended to communicate U.S. government policy. At a washing machine factory later on Thursday, the president kept up the onslaught on his challenger. I would not say he is at the top of his game, the president said. On Thursday, Mr. Biden appeared to suggest the African American community was homogeneous, a comment Mr. Trump then described as very insulting. In an interview, Mr. Biden had said, what you all know but most people don't know, unlike the African American community with the notable exception, the Latino community is an incredibly diverse community with incredibly different attitudes about different things. He later issued an apology on Twitter.